Hi guys! Welcome to my beautiful channel. This is your beautiful Amiga Chinita. Charot! Hi guys, we are going to make banana cake. Here are the ingredients. So here's the ingredients. These are this is the crushed banana, the very ripe banana too. So 1 egg, butter, sugar, vanilla, milk, and flour. And this is the tin baking tin or something like that to put the them later. So I'm gonna show you how to cook this or how to bake this simple banana cake. It's very simple. I have done this already, but I forgot to record it. So now I'm going to record how to do it. The first thing is the butter. Just to make sure that it will not stick later. So, and then after, this one has to be later. This one, and this one. I have to mix them. So I'm going to mix them by cooking them for some minutes. The butter, sugar, and vanilla. So I'm going to mix them. I just melt the butter. I melt the butter from microwave, but you can do this also from frying pan, all mixed together. But I have done the easiest, the fastest and easiest. So I will do like this. So now it's mixed and melted, sugar, butter, and vanilla, and then we will add this. We will add the crushed banana. The banana that maybe you have ripe banana that is about to throw, don't throw. So just make this, because this is very easy to make. So now we will add this here. So I have added the crushed banana on the melted sugar, butter, and vanilla. Then after we mix well, we will add the egg. So just mix well. So we add the egg and mix again. Sorry guys, I have used a small bowl because I'm lazy to use a big one. So just a small bowl because there's not much of things to mix anyway. So just mix them, and then after we will stir this here. We will add this, and then we will stir them. Okay, so just stir this milk and flour, stir them, and this is the mix: sugar, butter, banana, egg, and vanilla. We will mix them together. So mixed. So these are the mixed ingredients that we have. And then now the additional is the brown sugar. Okay. Brown sugar just to sprinkle here. Spread. This is for additional taste. Just sprinkled 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons. Then this will be, so now smells really good, guys. Smells really good. So guys, I have to on our oven and then caliente or heat for just start. I start bake for about 35 minutes to 40 minutes. You just have to check once in a while, but it's 170 degrees to 35 minutes. So guys, here now it's going to be ready to put inside the oven, and I sprinkled some of the brown sugar as well on top. So later you will see how it will cook.